Think vinegar is just for cooking? Think again. Here are 5 genius ways to use vinegar that'll totally change your household routine. 1. Streak-free glass cleaner. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Use it to clean windows and mirrors for a streak-free shine, no chemicals needed. 2. Freshen up your drains. Pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it bubble and fizz for a few minutes, then flush with hot water to eliminate odors. 3. Remove hard water buildup. Soak paper towels in vinegar and wrap them around your shower head or faucet. Leave for 30 minutes, then wipe away to reveal a sparkling surface. 4. Natural fabric softener. Add half a cup of vinegar to your laundry's rinse cycle. It naturally softens fabrics, removes odors, and leaves no residue or scent. 5. Steam clean your microwave. Mix 1 cup of vinegar with 1 cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat for 5 minutes. The steam loosens grime, making cleanup a breeze. Who knew vinegar could be this useful? Try these hacks and turn a simple pantry item into your new cleaning secret weapon. Hit like and subscribe for more clever home tips.